The right to food is now established globally as a right that many countries are exploring to legislate on, as is Bangladesh. And the discussions in Bangladesh are going on for the last 10 years. And I want to give this message that the right to food, if legislated, makes a huge difference in the lives of the poorest and the most marginalized. If you look at India and the Indian experience on the right to food, the legislation on the right to food today covers close to 1 billion people across the country. It covers and gives entitlements to 50% of the urban population and 75% of the rural population. Even though it's a central legislation, many state governments or provincial governments are adding on to this, so effectively increasing the coverage to far more than these numbers. What that has meant, particularly in the time of the pandemic, that combined with the National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, which guarantees 100 days of labor at minimum wages to every household in a rural area in the country, the National Food Security Act, with its subsidized rations, rice and wheat and millets, given at highly subsidized rates, 1 rupee and 35 kilos per family, with 5 kilos per person per month, has made an enormous difference as not just something which is an entitlement but on food, but also as something which is a social security measure. Combined with the pensions, this is really what has stopped starvation at a massive scale at the time of the COVID-19 pandemic and the challenges that we are facing today. And if this can be done in India, Bangladesh, which is now overall food secure and produces enough for its own people for most varieties, can actually achieve far more than we have done. Bangladesh is already close to the GDP of India and is projected to take over the per capita GDP of India and is projected to take over a higher number in the per capita national income. It's time for Bangladesh now to legislate this act, and I wish all the activists, the government, the law commission, the judiciary and other stakeholders, NGOs who are working on this, their very best as they take this journey forward to have the right to food legislated in Bangladesh.